Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this series of lecture, we'll learn about fast Python data analysis library. We call it Numpy. Let's go ahead and get started. Numpy is a linear algebra library for Python, and it is so important for data scientists. At first, we should learn how to get Numpy and install into it your computer. If you have the Anaconda distribution, you can install Numpy by just going to the terminal or your command prompt and then type CONDA install Numpy. But if you don't have the Anaconda distribution, you can also install Numpy by using pip install Numpy in your command prompt or terminal.